Welcome to Ada's Creations. Today, I'm making apple nachos. I love apples. I got chocolate and caramel and apples and peanut butter and nuts and sprinkles and candy. Put a peanut butter on there. Well, I'll just stick them on it. That was a eye. It's supposed to be our body. It fell. Oh, there's some more. Oops, I'm making a mess. Sorry. Mama, we need to clean up that red. Yeah, so I'll just stick on it. Sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles. They look like sprinkles. Sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles. Now I'm going to add some candies. My favorite colors is this. Now I'm going to add some sprinkles. They look like sprinkles. I'll just put them there. Some not sprinkles. Look like just put the caramel on there. I can't open it. It's too. Wow, just upside down, upside down, upside down. Time for my chocolate. Oh, there, okay. Spread out, spread out. Like nuts. It looks like nuts. Okay. Right, that's make a bag. Just stick in. And some more sprinkles. Stick them in. Some more nuts on there. It's like nuts. More candy on there. Now I'm gonna try one. Which one? Which one? Let's pop it, ready, scissors. Let's do it. Pop, ready, scissors, shoot. I'll get the apple. Which one? Maybe I get this one. Oh, this got chocolate on it. Are you serious? Guess you're watching my show. Bye.